Everything started in 1991 with a breeze coming from the sea. Imagine a bird that changes the weather with a flap of its wings, working to provide comfort and health. For a quarter century, we have been working to provide industrial and commercial air conditioning, ensuring ideal weather conditions and keeping products in their natural freshness. We believe in a better future. We design a wide variety of products focusing on energy efficiency. We take pride in our engineering. We believe it's a passion. We design, produce, and test all of our products ourselves. Environmentally sound products ensure energy efficiency, which in turn saves money for the investors. We are excited to discover new methods and work hard to implement them. We are now a quarter century old. We get our strength from our friends, partners, and from our faith in the things we do. We are now an excited, experienced, confident young individual, ready for the future we create together.